Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on configuring a nanoplate template using the QIAcuity Software Suite. Locate the New Plate button in the interface's upper right corner. Click it. Give your plate a relevant name and specify the plate type. We'll use the 26K and 24Well nanoplate for this demonstration. Now, let's delve into the dPCR parameters. Start by selecting the appropriate priming standard from the QIAcuity library. Under the Cycling tab, set the initial temperature to 95 degrees Celsius and let it stabilize for 2 minutes. Afterward, next step temperature to 95 degrees Celsius again, but this time for only 15 seconds. Then, set the temperature to 58 degrees Celsius and maintain it for 30 seconds. You can group them by clicking in the boxes on the right and then hitting the Group button above. Now, it's time to specify the number of cycles. For this demonstration, 40 times. Moving on to imaging, in the case of the trial kit, you disable channels. Keep the green and yellow channels enabled. Adjust the exposure time for the yellow channel to 400 milliseconds. Proceed to the reaction mix section. Provide a name for the reaction mix, and in our case, using the PICO technology, the target name should correspond to the antibody you're using against your target. Choose the appropriate dye and the corresponding channel will be automatically selected for you. Now, let's create our controls and sample. First, a non-template control. Creatively named NTC. Additionally, include an antibody control without sample proteins. Create new samples as needed. For instance, our sample S hashtag with 5 different dilution steps. Now we can move on to the plate layout. Select all the wells you want to apply the mix to and proceed with adding it to the wells. Now we place the NTC control, the antibody control in triplicates. Select the control type. Choose the exact control and assign it to the wells. And our samples in 4 replicates. And that's it. Click on Save Plate and on Done. You've successfully configured a nanoplate template. Feel free to modify these settings according to your requirements. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact our customer support.